The property looked perfect. Remodeled kitchen, tenant already in place, rent ready to go. But 3 weeks later, the buyer found out the photos were fake. The tenant didn't exist, and the property had over $12,000 in hidden repairs. And the seller, gone. This is the dark side of turnkey real estate that no one talks about until now. Whether you're researching turnkey investment properties or digging through turnkey real estate reviews and scams, I'm gonna show you here in this video what actually matters, like the red flags that separate real deals from real disasters, the exact questions that make scammers hang up, and how to use turnkey real estate the right way. Because done right, this can be the most time-leveraged path to passive income on the planet. But done wrong, it'll wreck your finances, your confidence, and maybe even your retirement. Red flag number 1, no third-party inspection. This is how they hide the $12,000 in repairs you're about to inherit. If the seller says, trust us, instead of showing you a real inspection from a licensed local pro, run. Red flag number 2, inflated rent projections. This is where 73% of bad deals start. If the pro forma says $1,800 and market rent is $1,400, guess what? You're about to own a spreadsheet fantasy, not a performing asset. Red flag number 3, vague or missing rehab records. No before and after photos, no receipts, no scope of work. That's not turnkey. That's lipstick on a pig, and you'll be the one paying for every surprise repair for the next 5 years.
Red flag number 4,
in-house property management with no accountability. This is the one that destroys most investors. If the company that sold you the house is also managing it and won't give you access to reports or statements, you're already in trouble. They control the info, the rent, and the reality. And you're flying blind. Looks nice, smells fishy. That's how most of these stories start. In Indianapolis, 127 investors lost a combined $8.2 million to a turnkey scam. The listing showed fully rehabbed properties with tenants in place. Rent was supposedly being deposited like clockwork. And in reality, some of the homes didn't even exist. Others were boarded up, vacant, or condemned. Investors were being sent fake photos, dummy leases, and even forged rent payments to make the numbers look real. One retired firefighter said he lost his entire pension. Another buyer wired $40,000 for a house that was literally just a dirt lot. This isn't a one-off. This is happening right now. But here's a mistake that cost that retired firefighter his entire pension. And it's what every single one of those 127 Indianapolis investors had in common. They fall in love with the numbers and forget to verify the people. A spreadsheet can say anything. So can a polished website. But behind every deal is a decision. Do you trust the pitch or the proof? I've reviewed over 1,000 turnkey deals, and this red flag pattern, it shows up in almost every bad one. When done right, turnkey real estate, it's a game changer for most people. You buy below market value in a solid growing market. The rehab is documented, complete, and verified. The tenant is real, paying, and screened. The property management is licensed, accountable, and professional. This is how busy professionals are quietly building passive income without quitting their jobs. The Frustrated Investor's Guide to Passive Income, it's linked down below to help you through it if that sounds like something you want to do. But as promised, to help you sniff out the fishiness, I'll give you the 5 questions that make scammers panic. 1, can I get a copy of that inspection and appraisal? 2, what are current tenants actually paying, and can I see a payment history? 3, who manages the property and can I speak to them directly? 4, can I talk to at least one other buyer who's bought from you in the past 12 months? And 5, if this is such a great deal, why aren't you keeping it for yourself? If they hesitate, stall, or deflect on any of these, walk away. You just avoided a bad deal. Every successful turnkey investor I know asks these. Here's what most people don't understand about turnkey real estate, though. You don't need to quit your job to start. In fact, quitting might be the worst thing you could do. While everyone else is fantasizing about escaping the 9-to-5, smart investors are using their jobs as leverage. Your steady paycheck? That's what gets you financing. Your W-2? That's what banks love to see. Your benefits? That's your safety net while you build. The people who succeed at this aren't the ones who quit everything and go all in. They're the ones who start small, stay smart, and let their job fund their freedom. The goal isn't just to buy property, it's to buy control, and your job helps you get there. Most people think real estate investing means becoming a landlord, flipping houses, or spending weekends at Home Depot. Not true. There are a million ways to make $1 million in real estate, and you only need one. You can invest in real estate while keeping your day job without ever picking up a hammer or dealing with a tenant. This is the realistic path for most. No quitting your job, no massive time commitment, no getting your hands dirty. Just you, your current income, and a system that works while you work. Because the goal isn't to escape your job tomorrow. The goal is to build something that gives you the choice to leave when you're ready. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you right here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Or maybe I'll see you over there. Take care.